So at the recent Adobe Max conference, they demoed project SuperSonic. Let's have a look.
Sound designers, they often use their voice to sketch an idea, right, of how they want things to sound. So wouldn't it be neat if I could use that workflow to drive my generation? Well, with Project SuperSonic, this is not sci-fi, we can do just that. So check this out. I am going to hit record, and I'm going to imitate the monster growls with my voice. All right? So the moment I hit this little red button, please hush, hush, everyone, because we're going to be recording. All right, here we go. Rah! 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 All right, so... we got the growls down. Now let's see what we get back. I'm going to type in monster growl, and I'm going to hit generate. And it's going to be using the precise timing, dynamics, and energy of my voice to drive the generation. And so we'll give it a couple more seconds to do its magic. All right. Yeah, well, the growls, there's a lot to take in there. Those are good growls. There's a lot to take in there.
No.
Oh, there we go. We got it. And of course, we get, let's crank up the volume. I want to see what we got. All right, are we ready, everyone?
Yeah.
Let's see what we get. I mean, this is too much fun, so I feel like I'm on a roll, so let's just do one more. Let's add the wings flapping, the kind of the whoosh sounds. So I'm going to hit record audio, and again, we're going to record. Here we go. Hush, hush, everyone. Whoosh, whoosh. All right, and I guess I'll type in whoosh. Let's hit generate. Now it's going to be doing its magic. All right, okay, and here we go. Let's check it out. All right, not too bad. Let's go and listen to what we got from the top.
And then we get to see the demo of Project Perfect Blend. Let's have a look.
So, this is a photo of you, which was our last presenter. You met him. So you see all these immersive projections are creating the green sparklets and the lighting artifacts on him. Let's try remove background, switch out to our Miami sky, and click harmonize. Just give it a few seconds to see the magic happen. Voila!
Wow.
Let's check out the before and after. All the lighting artifacts get removed, and we also cast the Miami sunlight on him. And next, I have a photo of Paul. Everyone knows Paul. Paul is our stage producer this year. Okay, I think he's somewhere here. And you know, he's a super cool person. We love him. And so is the lighting on him. You see the green and purple, everything. Let's try to remove background and click harmonize one more time to see what our model can handle for this kind of cases. Just a few seconds. Look at that. So let's check out the before and after to see how our model perfectly handled all the relighting while also preserving the facial identities and structures on him. Sorry, Paul didn't remove wrinkles.
So let's see how long until they roll it out.